side of my chainsaw break off of this Spear and Jackson, and under here the this worm gear was pushed right through this case and chewed into that, which is not in the way of the brake. But I'm just wondering if we can fit an aftermarket into here and make this functional again, because this is pretty galled up. And I wonder if it jammed and they forced it into the case. Hold on a sec. That's not too bad. See if we can fit an aftermarket. I'll get in a position where you can see. So we've got this aftermarket one with a screw head on the front and a retaining pin. So I'm wondering if we thread that up and through there. Oh, that's all right lengthwise. Now we want to get that. Well, we can get that threaded through there and into here, and that should be able to come through. That gives you a retaining clip, which by the looks of it locks onto there. And if we put our cover back on, oh yes, cover screws. This saw ran lovely, but there was no adjustment in where the bar was. Oh, don't let it screw up too tight. Put the retainer. So now you should be able to reach in there with a screwdriver. Check you're in focus. Oh, wind the bar adjuster forwards and backwards. Look at that. Well, that's a pretty good fix. So now I just need to find a bar and chain for the rest of the saw. The other saw that I've got the bar and chain off this one, but needs a carburettor because that won't pump. So yeah, not a bad little fix at all. Thank you for watching. Just a little follow up. So we've located the pin is located into there. The chain is pretty loose, so we should now be able to wind that out and see the chain tension up. So let's make sure. Oh, it doesn't locate into there, does it? We'll call that for a win. We've got saw back in service. Oh well, now it's definitely thank you for watching.